What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape the TikTok search page. So basically, you can get all the results from searching anything in the search bar. So first of all, go to TikTok, then search for something like funny, and then click inspect. Go to your network tab, and then refresh the page. And then what you need to do is you need to scroll down till there's at least like 12 results. So just scroll down a lot. And then you can see the one of the requests full here. So click on that and then go to payload. And then what you want to find is something called the search ID. So basically just copy the search ID and then you need to put that in your code. So here I have my code, and so yeah, you get the search ID and you put that in, the right place. So basically, I have my options array here, and you need to have the options, these following options. So you have from page with the value of search. You have keyword with your keyword that you want to search for. And then you have offset, which is how you get the next page of search terms. So basically, offset will be like not you don't need it when you're searching for the first like 12 items, but then to get the second page of the search you will need to put offset at 12, and obviously you can do that in a loop to get like five or 10 pages at a time and put them in the same object. But for now I'm just gonna keep it at 12. And you also need your cookie string, so just go to the same request, go to headers, and come down to cookie, and then copy everything from cookie. So it's basically here up. So copy cookie and put that in its own string. You can do that also with Puppeteer automatically. But for now I'm just going to copy it and put it in. So you need your cookies, and then the URL string that you use is https www.tiktok.com/api/search/general/full. And to start the arguments, you'll have a question mark here. And then I'm doing a little loop to add in the options. So basically, it'll look like, from page is equal to search, and then the next argument there. So I have 5 arguments, and it's gonna pretty much put it into one string, and then I have my string. And then use a fetch. In Node.js you can use node fetch, so import fetch from node fetch, and then you fetch your URL string with a method of get. Credential is true, and then headers, you can add a user agent. I'm not sure if you need that. And then headers, you add your cookie with the cookie string, and then you can add refer. I'm not sure if you need that as well, but you can also find that in the network tab. And then basically I'm just gonna run it, and right now it's gonna have an offset of 12, so that's gonna give you results 12 to 24, because the search gives 12 loads 12 videos at a time. And then as you scroll down, it's gonna load the next 12 and keep going like that. So then if I run this, as you can see, the data object has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it has 13, but I don't know, because sometimes it gives 11 or 13. So to access the data object, you just do data.data, and then I'm going to access the first item in that array, and then just do item.id. So as you can see, when you run it, you'll get the video ID here. And let's say I did offset of 24. That should give me the a different ID, right? Because it's going to be a whole new list of data elements. So yeah, as you can see, it's giving me a different ID. And then let's say 36. That's giving me a different one as well. So it looks like the offset is working, and you can obviously maybe write a loop to do this, like and get everything at once. So we could do a loop down here, and for let I equals 0, I is less than, like, let's do 5, and then I plus plus, and then you'd also have like let final array equals, and then just do this, and then let my array equals, oh wait, so here I'm just gonna return data.data, which is an array, and then so that array, so my array.map array item, and then final array.push array item, and then if I equals 4, console.log final array dot length. So that's going to give us our full object, and it's going to do 4. But actually, I need to do offset here. So the offset is going to be, okay, it's going to be okay, here we just need that I plus equals I plus 1. And then here we would need I plus times 12. So that's going to give our offset. So then we can bring that into here, offset. And then here we can do offset. So that should work. And then what you can also do, just for safety, because if you do all these API calls at once, they might flag you or something like that. So I'm just gonna set a timeout. Set timeout. Okay, whatever, let's just try this. So yeah, you got 59. So now you have 59 items, and And if you just wanted to do that, and let's just see what the full object looks like. So each item has the ID, and then it also has the author object. So if you want to make the string for the video URL, all you have to do is, I already have it up here, but basically, like, let's say let my object equal data at 0. So that's just going to take the first item, and you have to do dot item dot author dot unique ID. So then basically, because the string for each video is tiktok.com at author unique ID / video / video unique ID. So so that would just be tiktok.com at item author unique ID / video / my object item.id, and that'll give you the string, so you can save that in your database or whatever you want. Alright, so that was pretty much how to scrape TikTok. The search page, which I haven't seen implemented in many different libraries, because it's usually hashtag or something like that, or hashtag or user or something. But I think the search page can give you, with just not a hashtag, can give you a lot of good videos. So anyways, that's it.